I had left the office early and I was on the highway and I knew that there was a semi quite a ways behind me. Traffic had come to a halt. And I remember looking in my rearview mirror and I was like, that semi is not stopping. And he wasn't, and he just wasn't paying attention. And so I just braced myself and he slammed into the back of my vehicle. I sustained a traumatic brain injury from the accident, and I actually don't have a lot of memory following immediately after being hit. Recovery took a long time to just have everything come to a screeching halt with a car accident like this, and it changes everything. I'm still technically receiving medical care and will likely for the rest of my life. Just stressful trying to then juggle being a single mom and working full time, and then having doctor appointments several times a week and having to stay on top of my therapies. And I missed out on a lot of good quality time with my son. I felt really lost. And so I'm so glad I found Zaner Harden Law Firm, because all of them have just been amazing and have provided detailed, attentive care. It was very clear that that driver was at fault. It was negligence. What was difficult was, while they were quick to accept fault for the accident, they did not want to pay money in a settlement. In fact, their first offer was not even going to cover my full medical. Our goal was to just highlight the truth, and that's what we did. So it felt really good and really validating to be able to walk away from a settlement and feel justified that I was heard and my injuries were heard and that my story was heard. I'm just so grateful that I found Zaner Harden. It's funny how something like this, like an accident like this and an injury like this, makes you realize kind of some of the quality family time you've taken for granted, some of those memories that you've taken for granted, especially when they're gone. Zaner Harden Law Firm, they heard me, and they made sure that my story was told. And so if anyone is in this kind of a situation, I think the best thing you can do is seek help. Talk to Mark, talk to Kurt, tell them your story, and they'll make sure that your story gets told too. And to get justice and validation in your case.